Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about algebraic expressions. So the parts of an algebraic expression are called terms, and like terms are terms that have the same variables raised to the same powers, or the same exponents. If a term is constant, it's also considered a term as well, and like terms can be combined and to simplify an expression. So in this problem here, we're going to identify the terms and then group them by like terms. So we've got terms. So if we just write out terms, there's actually 5. There's x squared. There's 5x. There's negative 3x squared. There's negative 9, and there's x. Okay, now if we want like terms, now we're looking at the ones with the same powers, so the x squareds, so x squared and negative 3x squared, those are like terms. And then 5x and x are like terms. And then the other one would be negative 9 right there. That's all by itself. So there's my like terms all grouped together. Okay, and we can combine the like ones. So in this case, we've got x squared minus 3x squared. That would make negative 2x squared. We've got 5x and x would make 6x. And then the negative 9 is just by itself. And so we can simplify this expression by writing it as negative 2x squared plus 6x minus 9. That would be simplified as far as it would go. I can't combine these because they're not like terms. I can't combine these because they're not like terms. Okay, simplify this expression. 3/4 y plus 12 minus 1/2 y minus 6. So right away what I would do is do the easy ones. So here's some easy ones. 12 minus 6 is 6. So we can kind of show an intermediate step here like this. Now I can combine my like terms, but first I'm going to have to get a common denominator. So this is a pretty easy one. I can almost do this one. I can do this one in my head. This is 2/4. So 3/4 minus 2/4 would be 1/4 y plus 6. And so I've combined those here. I've combined these here. And here's my final answer, 1/4 y plus 6. Okay, so here's what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video. I want you to simplify these two expressions and then jump back on here and compare and see how you did. Okay, so this one here, we've got like terms here with the z's, so negative 3z and z makes negative 2z. And then we've also got like terms here, 14 plus 8 is 22. Now this is a case, I always tell my math students, always make a z with a slash through it because, boy, a lot of people, they'll write on their homework, they'll write it out as negative 2z plus 22, and then they'll come back and they'll go, oh, that's negative 22 plus 22, answer's 0. And that's not the case. Okay, so z's are very easily misinterpreted as 2's, so make sure you put that slash through there. Okay, on this one, I've got like terms right here. Oh, what happened? Got like terms right there. 3/8 minus 3/4. So I'm going to get some common, I'm going to rewrite this with a common denominator. That'd be 3/8b minus 6/8b plus 2. And then I can combine these, so that's negative 3/8b plus 2, and I can't go any further because that's as far as I can go. Okay, simplify this algebraic expression. So here's what I'm going to do is I've got this right here that I need to distribute throughout here. So negative 1/2 times 6m is negative 3m, and negative 1/2 times 4 is negative 2, and then plus 2m. And now I can combine my like terms here, and I get negative m minus 2, and I can't go any further. Okay, here's a chance for you to do these two problems, so pause the video, do the problems, and jump back on here and compare how you did. Okay, this one's pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this negative 2 in here, so I get negative 2g minus 8 plus 7g. And then I can combine my g's, so negative 2g and 7g is 5g minus 8. And I can't go any farther with that one. Okay, on this problem, here's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to distribute that negative 4 right there in here. So when I do that, I'm going to get 7. Okay, negative 4 times 3/4 is just going to be negative 3x. And negative 4 times negative 1/4 is going to be plus 1. Okay, remember that minus sign goes with that 4 everywhere. And now I can combine my 1 and my 7, and I get negative 3x plus 8. And I'm done. If you write 8 minus 3x, that's fine too. Okay, each person in a group buys a ticket, a medium drink, and a large popcorn. Write an expression in simplest form that represents the amount of money the group spends at the movies. Interpret the expression. Okay, so we don't know how many people went to the movies. So we're going to call that P for people. And they each buy a ticket, okay? So it's going to cost them $7.50 times P. Plus, they each buy a medium drink. Well, that's the same number of people, so that's still P. The medium drink is $2.75, so 2.75 times P. They each buy a large popcorn. Here's the large popcorn is $4, so that's plus 4P. So there's my expression. Now I can put it in simplest form by just combining my like terms. So 7.5 and 2.75, that's 9, 10, 25. Plus 4 would be 14.25p. So there it is. There's my expression in simplest form. Here's my expression in simplest form. Now what does that mean? That means that each person will spend $14.25. So that's how you interpret the expression. Okay, so here's an assignment for you. There's a couple pages here. You're going to do 1 through 31 odd. In class, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.